Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for Capricorns. Messages for Capricorns. Okay, so we have the Ace of Cups, the Eight of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, the Fool, the Six of Wands, the Sun, okay, the Page of Swords, the King of Swords, and the Ten of Swords. Okay, let's have the Three of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Four of Cups. Ultimately, it is ending on a disappointment. Okay. Anyway, since I've pulled them, I'll leave them. So, Capricorns, we have the Ace of Cups, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Seven of Pentacles. So, there has been a new beginning in your life. There was something new in your life, or someone new in your life, because of which you felt a lot of emotional fulfillment, and you're really working hard on this front, which is so emotionally gratifying and emotionally satisfying for you, that you're really working hard on this front, whatever it is, or this person. And once you have worked so hard, it somehow you are, it's like looking back to see the results. Okay, I've invested so much in it, now let me see, it's the time to show some sort of results. Okay, what is the return I'm getting? It's something of that sort, that I've invested so much emotionally, I've put in all my emotions, I've done this, I've done that, I've worked hard in every way to sustain it because it is so emotionally gratifying to me, and now it is the time to see the results as to, or it can be that it is the time that you're just waiting as to what should I do next. Okay, I have done this much, now what next? It can be that also, because it's being followed by the Fool, the Six of Wands, and the Sun. So what I feel here is that while you are taking the time to review or just contemplate as to, okay, this is what I've done, now what should I do? I have whatever was supposed to be done, I've done. I really don't know what else can be done in this situation. And then you just decide something, perhaps you just because these are the energies of having a new beginning, taking the risk whichever is required to be taken, and starting again, once again. Okay, let me see, once again, it's something of, so this seems to be some sort of a stagnated energy with the Seven of Pentacles, in which you're not even working on it and you are not doing much on it. Okay, so over here you've been working in this situation, whatever it was, and here it is a sort of a stagnation to me. It feels that you are just looking at it, okay, I've done this much, now what next? So it is, maybe you are sort of, since you're waiting for the results, that is why you are feeling bored, or you really don't know what to do. There is no action over here. Okay, or maybe if you're not waiting for the results, then it's like whatever was supposed to be done has been done, I really don't know what to do in this direction. Okay, so it's something of that sort, in whatever field it resonates with you. And then we have the Fool, the Six of Wands, and the Sun. So whatever this new beginning is in your life, Capricorns, whatever it is, in whichever area of your life it is this or something else, I don't know. This is something which is going to give you a lot of wish fulfillment, a lot of happiness, and you feel really victorious over here. So it can be the same thing also, since you've been investing, you were thinking of what to do, then maybe you felt, okay, this is what I can do, let's start like this, and that you are very, very happy. So it is a phase of being really happy over here. It's like you're really, really very happy over here. And then we have the Page of Swords, the King of Swords, and the Ten of Swords. So over here, this is something which is not looking very good. This is something in which you are feeling a little distant. There is some sort of a cold vibe in it. that detached and a cold energy. And with the Ten of Swords, you really feel as if something has struck you very hard. You feel totally knocked down, and you really feel a lot of hurt over here in this situation. After perhaps something has been said, you've said something, they have said something, maybe there was a fight, maybe somebody got detached, or whatever it is. With the King of Swords, it is something blunt, sharp, but yes, it is truthful. So something of that, so something has happened over here, that's what I feel, which made you feel knocked down. Perhaps you said, they said, I don't know, but there is an energy of you being feeling as if it's the end. You really feel knocked down, it's the end, you really don't know what to do. It's something of that sort. Then just because it was this card, I didn't want to end it at the Ten of Swords, so I just pulled another three. But anyway, better than that. So we have the Three of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Four of Cups. So what I feel here is, again, this is again perhaps again parting, again enjoying being together, reconciliation if that is what you want, and having a new beginning which is stable and committed also. And with the Four of Cups, what I feel here is now something which I am getting is either there is something else which is still troubling you or which is still making you upset, can be one thing, or it can be that now you have started a new beginning, you really don't feel the need of anything else. Maybe you are too focused on what you have. But see, it can be the energy of that past also. So anyway, you are coming out of this Ten of Swords energy with the Three of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. You do have that reconciliation, you have that get together, partying, celebrating, and you do have a new beginning which is definitely stable and committed also. It has that vibe of stability. So here we have the cups, he has here we have the pentacle. So definitely long term and stable. And with the fear of Four of Cups, maybe it is something which is again making you upset, and maybe it is just the memories of these things, or maybe something else, I'm not sure. But yes, definitely ultimately you will be able to come out of this Ten of Swords energy, and you do have a new beginning on cards. One more thing I would like to add is that with the Fool being there, it's the card in which you do take some sort of risks. So if it was, though it did make you happy, but do take calculated risks. If it is something which is definitely concerned with the materialistic world, then you should take calculated risks, not the risk which may fall back on you. Let's see the guidance from the, we have the Three of Clubs. So definitely it is victory, it is happiness, it is stability, it is commitment. So I think everything should be okay. Guidance from the angels. Guardian of thought. You may be called upon to be a spokesperson for a cause close to your heart. Your angels will give you the perfect words and you'll do brilliantly. You may be asked to be a mentor or find one for yourself. This situation involves someone who's professional with a positive attitude and fresh ideas. This person could be emotionally unavailable, and this person could be you. So Capricorns, hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.